Hey guys, welcome to the video. I just finished up polishing this BMW X7, looks absolutely insane. But this is not the car we're going to be working on in this video. We're obviously going to be working on the Jaguar F-Pace. We'll get to that in just a minute. But before this video gets started, I do quickly want to say that I've been trying to get out 2 videos a week now, but I haven't really been able to just because I've been so busy with the actual business. So today's video is actually going to be a little bit different from usual. It's going to be more of a time-lapse kind of video. I'm curious to see what you guys think, whether you guys like it or not. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. On the other hand, I do have a lot of stuff pre-recorded, so there's gonna be coming some awesome stuff to the channel in the next coming weeks. I'll put some footage on the screen right now of what kind of cars I've been working on. So you definitely want to stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed and turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new videos. But as of right now, let's get... Hi. Are you coming to help me?
Have you heard about Raid Shadow Legends?
No, I haven't heard of it.
Raid Shadow Legends has millions of players and dozens of tough bosses, but its heart and soul are in its jaw-droppingly champions. And guess what? They just introduced an entirely new playable faction, and here's the thing, the game is free. You guys can use my link to download Raid yourself to your mobile phone or PC. And now get ready to meet one of their newest additions to the game, the Shadowkin. As you can see, the Shadowkin are heavily inspired by the mythos of medieval Japan. They've got ninjas, samurais, a whole host of mythical badasses, and they've only just arrived, so get ready to meet new members as they arrive in the game. Here are some of my favorite Shadowkin champions. This month they're releasing a new batch of epic and legendary champions, and they're also releasing the second version of the Doom Tower. That means new rewards and new gear to win to customize your champions. If you want to get a huge head start in Raid, all you have to do is hit a link in the description or scan my QR code and you'll get a free epic champion, Juton, who is amazing for the Doom Tower. You also get 100,000 silver, 50 gems and 3 ancient shards, so you can summon awesome champions as soon as you get in game. The rewards will only be available for the next 30 days and only for new players.
So if you're interested, check out my link in the description. Cheers to Raid for sponsoring today's video. What about you? Are you gonna help me?